Hi guys, welcome to ARIVU channel. If this video is useful to you, like, share and subscribe. This is the Python series part 12. Now let's discuss the indentations and decision making statements. First we will discuss indentations. Python uses indentation to indicate a block of code. Okay. In other programming languages like C, C++, Java, the indentation in code is for readability only. But in Python, the indentation is very important because it indicates the block of code. Okay. Next, we will see the decision making statements. So these statements only decide where the control to go. That's why the name decision making statements. These statements are used in the conditions or expression. That's why the name condition statements. So decision making statements or conditional statements, both are same. Now let's discuss the types of the decision making statements or conditional statements. If statement, if else statements, if elif ladder, nested if statements, shortHand if statement, shortHand IfElse statement. Now let's see this example. So in this example, I have created the variable. Variable name is color. So what data type is this? This is the string data type. Okay, actually I have given a single character, but in Python, this single character treats as the string only. Because in Python, we didn't have any char data type. Okay, here I have used the decision making statement. Simple if. Okay, so what is the syntax? Here, this is the keyword. And here this is the condition or expression. Okay, so after the evaluation of this condition or expression, we will get either true or false boolean values. Okay, so in this example, I have given B to color. So after the evaluation of this statement, we will get true only. Okay, here we have used the relational operator equal to sign. Okay, so after the evaluation of this expression, we will get true only. So what happens? The control goes inside this if block. Okay, here we have what? The colon. Here we have the indentation. Okay, so this indentation indicates the block of code. So this statement belongs to this if block. Okay, so this indentation is used to indicate the block of the if statement. Okay, so now let me execute this one. So what is the output? Black color. Okay, so if I give C value means, let me execute again, nothing is printed. Okay, so first this expression will be evaluated. If this expression returns true means the corresponding if block will be executed. If this expression returns false means nothing is printed here. This is the example for simple if. Okay, so instead of writing this code, we can use the shortHand if. How? Here I just comment these two lines and here I uncomment this line. This is the shortHand if statement. Okay, instead of writing two lines of code, we can write a single line of code. So this type of structure is called the shortHand if statement. Okay, so here if, this is the keyword, this is the expression. After the evaluation of this, we will get either true or false. So if it returns true means the print statement will be executed. But what is the difference between this statement and this one means here we need to write two lines of code. Okay, but here we write a single line. So this type of structure is called the shortHand if statement. Okay, let me execute this one. Nothing is printed. Now I change the color value C to B. Now again I execute the same. Here black color is printed. Okay. Next one, IfElse. So here I have created the variable mark. I have given 52 mark. What data type is this? This is the integer data type. Okay. And here if is the keyword and this is the condition or expression. After the evaluation of this expression, we will get either true or false. Okay, if it returns true means the if block will be executed. Okay, if it returns false means the else block will be executed. Okay, so here also we have used the indentation. Here we have the colon and here we have the indentation. So this indentation indicates what? The block of code. So this statement belongs to the if. This statement belongs to the else block. Got it? So now let me execute this one. So I have given 52 marks. So after the evaluation of this, we will get true only. So you are passed. That's why we got this result. Okay. Now I change this value 50 to 30. Okay. Again I execute the same. Now we got you are failed. Because after the evaluation of this expression, we will get false only. Isn't it? So the control goes to the else block only. So the corresponding statement is executed. That's why we got this result. Okay. So here I have used more than one line. But I want to write a single line means, is it possible? Possible. Okay, we can. How is it possible? First I have to comment these lines. So now I use the multi-line comment here. So now I uncomment this one. Okay, here instead of writing these 4 lines, I write a single line. Both the types return the same result. Okay, if this condition evaluation result is false means this statement, that is the else statement, will be executed. Okay, so this statement will be printed if the expression evaluation result is true. Okay, if it returns false means the else statement, this statement will be printed. Let me execute this one. Now what happens? Mark is 30 only. After the evaluation of this condition, we will get false only. False means this else statement only is executed. That's why we got this result. Okay, I change the value of 30 to 50. Now again execute this one. So what is the result? You are pass. The next one, elif ladder. So here if we want to check more than one condition at the time, we can use this type of elif ladder. If we give the n value as 1 means Sunday will be printed. If we give 2 means Monday will be printed. 3 means Tuesday. 4 means Wednesday. 5 Thursday. 6 Friday. 7 Saturday. If we give some other numbers means what is the output? This else block will be executed. So we will get this answer. Okay. After the evaluation of this expression, we will get either true or false. If it returns true means the corresponding if statement will be executed. If it returns false means the control goes to check the next elif condition. Okay. Likewise, again this condition will be evaluated. If it returns true means the elif block will be executed. If it returns false means the control again jumps from the line. The same process is going on. Okay. If we give some different numbers apart from these numbers means what we will get? The control comes here, the else block. So this else block statements will be executed. Okay. So now let me execute this one. Day number 1, Sunday. If I give 7, we got Saturday. Okay. Now if I give 9, so what is the result now? The else block will be executed. So we got, please give the correct number. The next one, nested if. So in this example, we have used the nested if. So what is nested if? If block is placed inside the another if block. This type of structure is called the nested if. Okay. So here, if is the keyword and this is the condition. After the evaluation of this condition, we will get either true or false. If it returns true means only the control comes inside the outer if block. Okay. And this is the inner if block. So this is the inner if statement. Here, this is the condition. Okay. If the weight is greater than or equal to 50 means only it returns true. Okay, so if it returns true means the control comes inside the inner if block and this print statement will be executed. Okay, so the inner if block will be executed only when the outer if block is true. Okay, so this type of structure is called the nested if statement. Now let me execute this one, where age is 25 and weight is 89. Now this is printed. Okay, you are eligible to donate. Okay, now let me execute again. Now the age is 15. The weight is 70. Okay, nothing is printed. So we have completed the decision making statements like ShortHand if statement, ShortHand IfElse statement, simple if statement, simple IfElse statement, and elif ladder and nested if. We have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.